If you're a Jeep owner, you drive your Jeep in just about every season imaginable. The summertime, wintertime, when it's really cold and really hot. Now, one thing that can get damaged that you really don't think about is actually your spare tire. So today, if you want to address that issue, we're going to be checking out the Smittybilt black denim tire cover. It's going to fit a 30 to 32 inch tire. Now, the spare tire on your Jeep Wrangler might not see any street miles. However, it's still going to get the same damage that the sun or the winter will give to it. If you want to protect that, the Smittybilt tire cover is going to do just that while giving you a nice clean look to the back end of your Jeep. Now, these are going to be in a wide variety of sizes. The one we're going to install today fits a 30 to 32 inch tire, and it comes in many different colors, but we've chosen this durable black denim material. If you've got a larger tire or even a smaller tire, there are also covers available for you, so you're not left out on that note. We're going to throw this on our 2012 Gecko Green JK, show you guys how it installs and just how it looks, and get you some protection on your spare tire. Guys, look at this on the back of the Gecko Green JK. Look at all the salts on there. This is terrible. It's the winter time in Pennsylvania. This spare tire is just getting beat up. I can't let it sit like this. It says "Wash Me" on the back of it. This is one of our editors, so you never know, who wrote that on the back, but obviously it does need cleaned up. If you don't want that to happen and you want to make sure it's protected, let's get this cover slipped right on. Just go right around there. Make sure it's fully seated on the back. And we're just gonna class up the back end of this Jeep. We've been doing that a lot with this Gecko Green JK, but with this spare tire cover, this is just next level here. Look at that, nice and clean. Get it tightened down so it looks good. It's not gonna go anywhere. Definitely some high quality stuff right here. About 30 seconds later, we've got the tire cover mounted up onto the JK. It looks a lot better. Now, this is gonna fit a JK, a JL, basically anything that has a 30 to 32 inch size spare tire on the back. It tightens up with the drawstring, so it's a little bit adjustable, as well as the width. You can make sure it's fit exactly for your tire. If it's got some wrinkles on it, let it sit out in the sun for a little bit. It'll definitely clean all those up. This is just from sitting in the box for a little bit, so that'll all clean up in the sun, but it's gonna protect your tire from getting damaged by the UV rays that the sun produces, especially in the summertime. Now, to find this, as well as many other protective covers for the outside of your Jeep, be sure to check out cjponyparts.com.